Introduction to guitar. The guitar is a fretted musical instrument that usually have 6 to 12 strings, played by plucking or strumming with finger or a plectrum. It belongs to the stringed instrument. The sound of the vibrating strings is projected either acoustically, by means of the hollow chamber of the guitar, or through an electrical amplifier and a speaker. There are two types of guitar in terms of the size of the string as an instrument, which are the bass guitar and the lead guitar. On this lesson, we focusing on the lead guitar. The lead guitar is classified into 4 types. 1. Modern acoustic guitar. 2. Electroacoustic guitar. 3. Semi-acoustic guitar. 4. Electric guitar. The modern acoustic guitars is further divided into 3 categories. 1. Classical acoustic guitar. Most beginners choose this type of guitar because it is relatively cheap. It is originated from Spain and tends to have wide flat fingerboard that may cause problem if you have small hands. The strings are made of nylon, which reduces the amount of tension of the neck. 2. Steel string acoustic guitar. The guitar usually have a bigger body than the classical acoustic, and the fingerboard tends to be thinner and slightly curved to ease playing, especially if you have small hands. Because the strings are made of steel and so the tension is higher than that of the nylon strings. The narrow neck has a strengthening rod within, which allows you to adjust the action to make playing easier. 3. Archtop or jazz guitar. The jazz-type guitar was born as a result of using electrical amplification to increase the volume of conventional acoustic guitar. It mostly comes as a semi-acoustic guitar. It uses an archtop with a relatively broad hollow sound box, violin-style F-holes, floating bridge, and a magnetic pickup solid body guitar. Two. Electroacoustic guitar. This guitar has both acoustic and electric guitar features. It is an acoustic guitar fitted with a magnetic pickup, a piezoelectric pickup, or a microphone. They are referred to as a plug-in acoustic guitar for being able to simply plug into a soundboard without the need of a microphone. The sound is designed to distant from a semi-acoustic guitar. 3. Third category of lead guitar. Semi-acoustic guitar. This is an electric guitar with an addition of sound chamber within the guitar body. 4. Fourth category of lead guitar. Electric guitar. This type of guitar is very easy to play and extremely popular. It plug into an amplifier to increase volume. The neck and the fingerboard tends to be thin and slightly curved for easy playing.